Hello there, hope you are all doing great. Today I'd like to talk about Canadian banking system and which bank would be better for you. So stay tuned. Alright, so far I have used two banks and I have gathered some information and experience, so I would like to share with you so that you can be benefited from it. So there are three banking systems in Canada. One is checking, one is saving, another one is credit account. So for checking account means you can save, deposit money anytime, you can take out money anytime through ATM card or check or any system. You can do shopping with that card, no problem about that. And at the end you would not get any interest, rather bank may add service charge with that account. And for saving account you will save some money for a certain period of time and you will get interest. And for credit card you can maintain your credit score here, which is very important, and I will cover up that thing in another video. It will be very time consuming if I tell everything about credit card here, so stay tuned for that. And for credit card you may have to wait little more time. That means it may arrive after your background check and after a week. Okay, so this is the Canadian bank account. Okay, and their banking system is pretty good, no problem about that. And have already experienced three countries like South Korea, Kuwait and China also, so I would say their banking system is pretty good. Anyway, now come to the point, which bank account will be better for you? Well, every person is different, so do their requirement also, right? So do your own research. I always tell my friends that do not follow anyone blindly. Whichever may good for me may not be good for you, right? So do your own research, and which one will be suitable for you, you can identify at that time. For opening a bank account, you may have to book an appointment. Nowadays, bank appointment in online. If you go any bank, just try to book for appointment. There will be free slot, maybe after 2-3 days if you're lucky enough, or after weeks you will get a blank slot. Then you can book for opening a bank account appointment. Okay, otherwise you can do it by online if you are very comfortable with your PC or your mobile device. Then you can open your account at your own. And if you do not like to do that, then you can wait for till the appointment date. Number one point is gone. Number two, then you have to visit your bank on that appointment date with your necessary documents. So what is required documents? Required documents is like your valid photo identity, your SIN number, some bank may be required that or optional it, and your work permit or a study permit. Yes, it's very important. You have to be a resident with permit. And if you tell them which account you would like to take, and if you ask them, they will tell you details, the bank feature, facilities and charges. You should know about it. And remember, for opening bank account, it is not even what to do, it is important what to avoid, to give a minimum charge, right? Something you have to avoid something. Yeah, tell your requirement and they will figure it out. So number 3 would be fill up the form carefully and follow all the instructions. Do not leave anything blank. If it is not required, give a NA. That means not applicable, right? So do not keep it blank. If it is blank, bank will take it in their favor. They will put it away, then you will face the charges. So if you want to avoid charges, be little bit proactive. Number 5 point would be active your bank account. How can you active your bank account? Deposit some money and set up PIN number for your card and keep it, remember, keep it noted. And how do you keep it noted? I can give you tips here. do not write down your PIN in figure, then anyone can understand it. Write down in a way that nobody can understand. You only can understand that code. Okay, it is called encoding. You can encoding by X, Y, Z. X will represent any variable figure, and you can start from A, B, C, D, like A for 1, B for 2, and C for 3. Like this, you can remember the code anyway. Okay, and when your bank active, then follow up 1 or 2 months that is they are giving you service as they are supposed to give you, and then you can use it comfortably. Sometimes they add extra feature, add extra facilities which incur more expenses, so be careful about it. And don't share your card and PIN number with any others, okay, with any website. Also, do not keep in your card number in Google password and security safe, because sometimes it's happened that they have deducted money from the account automatically. You would not get any notice even. This is the pathetic thing of here. Every transaction should have a notification to the client and client approval, but sometimes it's paid automatically, so be careful about it. And now at the end, I like to share my experience of 3 banking account and with 2 banks. I have opened my first bank account with CIBC as because they are giving cashback, and there was little bit more cooperative and helpful at the beginning. That's why I opened that bank account, and there are very minimum requirement of proof of identity. So I opened that account, and for a student, bank account is totally free up to your resident period. So you should take that opportunity too. Otherwise, saving account may charge you $20 to $30 every month for your transaction. Okay, to avoid that, you have to prove that you are a student by showing your study permit. And CIBC credit card, you will get it after 1 or 2 weeks. And by credit card, you can also do shopping, but remember to pay the bill within the time frame. Usually 26 days, 30 days. Within that time frame, you have to clear the bill. Otherwise, it will charge us more, up to 20 to 22% interest. Okay, to avoid that, you have to pay the bill due time. Be careful about it. And why do I go for Scotia Bank? I think Scotia Bank a little bit faster than CIBC. I have a bad experience with CIBC. Once I paid my rent to my landlord, but that money has not deposited in within 2 days. Yeah, that's true. And that's why I thought that I have to keep my promise to my landlord, and I have to pay my bills within time, because time is very valuable, and I have to keep my commitment also. I try to keep my commitment with everybody. So I thought about second bank, that is Scotia Bank, and I found their transaction is little bit faster and service also faster. Anyway, but they do not give any cashback for your purchase. They only give you points, Disney points card. By using that, you can watch movie, or you can sell out that ticket also. Okay, so that's all about the banking system and my experience. Hope it will be useful for you, and if you get any benefit or take out from this video, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe, and follow along me so for upcoming videos which will be more valuable for you and your future journey in Canada. So stay well and take care.